right, now we're going to be doing our tire. The first thing we're going to check on the tire to make sure it's not a recap. No recaps on the front. That the tire has a minimum of 4/32 depth tread on the front. Then we're going to be checking our A, B, C's, and D's of the tire. We're checking for abrasions, bulges, cuts, and dry rot on the tire. Then from the tire, we're working our way down to the rim. We're checking the rim to make sure it's not bent, cracked, no illegal welds in that rim. The next thing we're going to be checking is the lug nuts, that the lug nuts are there, they're secure, they're not missing, and we're checking for rust or shininess on the lug nuts, which if you've seen either or, that could indicate looseness. From there, we're going to be checking the hub, that the hub is there, there's no illegal welds, and there's no cracks in the hub. From inside the hub, we're checking the hub cap. We're checking the hub cap to make sure all the bolts are there. Nothing's loose, nothing's missing. The hub cap is secure. We'll pull out the middle part of the hub cap and we're checking the oil level of the hub. Make sure it's at the proper level. And then from here, we're going to check the back side of the rim. We're going to be checking the oil seal. If we see any oil on the bottom of the rim, that could indicate that the oil seal has went out. From there, we're going to go back to the valve stem of the tire to make sure it has a cap, that the cap is not missing. And with a proper tire gauge, we check the air pressure of this tire, and we have at least 90 pounds of air pressure. That is the key word, the tire gauge, proper tire gauge. The last thing we're going to check on this is the mud flap. The mud flap is there, it's secure, and it's not missing.